Today, I am reviewing the Alienware 16 Aurora Gaming Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The 16-inch WQXGA display is one of the first things that truly impresses in daily use. The resolution strikes a great balance between sharpness and performance, making games look detailed without putting unnecessary strain on the GPU. At 120 Hz, motion feels smooth and responsive, especially in fast-paced games where clarity during movement matters. The brightness level at 300 nits is sufficient for indoor gaming and productivity, and colors appear vibrant and well-balanced. While it's not a professional-grade HDR panel, it delivers a clean, immersive visual experience that feels well-suited to long gaming sessions and content consumption alike. Performance is where the Alienware 16 Aurora starts to justify its positioning. The Intel Core 7-240H processor feels fast and responsive across both gaming and multitasking workloads. Whether you're jumping between games, streaming, browsing, or doing creative work like light video editing, the system maintains a smooth, lag-free experience. It handles background tasks confidently without causing noticeable dips in performance, which is something gamers who multitask will appreciate. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 with 8GB of VRAM brings a noticeable generational improvement in efficiency and AI-powered features. Games run smoothly at the native resolution with high settings in most modern titles, and the inclusion of NVIDIA's latest architecture ensures better support for future game optimizations. What stands out is not just raw frame rates, but how stable those frames feel. The laptop avoids sudden drops or erratic behavior, which contributes to a more immersive and frustration-free gaming experience. For creators, the GPU also provides solid acceleration for creative applications, making this a versatile machine beyond gaming alone. Thermal performance is one of the most impressive aspects of this laptop. Alienware's newly designed Cryo-Chamber cooling system does a genuinely effective job of directing airflow exactly where it's needed. Even during extended gaming sessions, the laptop maintains controlled temperatures without becoming uncomfortably hot in common contact areas. The absence of a bulky rear thermal shelf gives the design a cleaner look while still delivering efficient cooling. Fan noise is present under load, as expected from a gaming laptop, but it remains consistent rather than distracting, which helps during long sessions. The overall design of the Alienware 16 Aurora feels mature and refined. It avoids overly aggressive gamer aesthetics while still maintaining a distinct Alienware identity. The streamlined chassis feels sturdy, and the keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience for both gaming and productivity. Key travel is balanced, making it easy to game for hours without finger fatigue. The large display size also makes everyday tasks like browsing, writing, or editing feel more comfortable compared to smaller gaming laptops. Memory and storage choices complement the system well. With 16GB of DDR5 RAM, the laptop handles modern games and multitasking smoothly without bottlenecks. The 1TB SSD provides fast boot times, quick game loading, and ample space for a sizable game library. Everything feels snappy from startup to shutdown, reinforcing the sense that this laptop is built for performance consistency rather than shortcuts. Another area where the Alienware 16 Aurora adds real-world value is support and reliability. Dell's 1-year on-site service is more than just a line item. It provides peace of mind. Knowing that support can come directly to your location if an issue cannot be resolved remotely makes a difference, especially for users who rely on their laptop daily for gaming, work, or study. This kind of service backing adds to the overall premium experience and helps justify the investment.